Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the Portage 3-liter hydration pack from Fox Racing. All right, today we're giving you a closer look at this Portage hydration pack coming from Fox Racing. This is a 3-liter pack. Now we offer several different hydration packs from Fox, but the Portage is going to be a mid-size pack. I think this would be a great size pack for a rider that's looking for one that's going to get them through an entire day's riding. So think if you need to carry maybe an extra jacket with you, some tools, some food to go along, I think this would be a great size. And what's great about this pack, it can double dip as a mountain biking pack, because as we go through, I'll actually show you a feature that's a little bit more mountain bike specific, but it still crosses over and can be used easily for motocross as well. So with this pack, first up, let's talk about the straps. So a couple things I like here. The straps, they're nice and thin, so they're nice and flexible, but also you're gonna see you've got mesh material on the back side here as well as on the top. You're gonna have some padding in there. So the straps, to me, they are nice and comfortable. You're gonna have your sternum strap right here, so I like that. That's gonna be adjustable as well. But also what I like is you work your way down, all these straps are gonna be adjustable. You've got a nice big waist belt here. I like to have a waist belt on a hydration pack. For me, it just keeps the pack a little bit more secure to the rider so it's not bouncing around when you're out there having a good time. So again, that waist belt, that's going to be adjustable. Nice big heavy duty buckle down here at the bottom. The waist belt, you can see, does have these mesh pockets, one on each side. So easy place to put a couple smaller items you need quick access to. If you look at the padding on the back here, you've got this EVA foam padding. You can see a mesh over top of that. What I like about that, it keeps it elevated just a little bit off the rider's back. So you've got these channels that's going to help with airflow, just going to help keep it a little bit cooler when you're wearing the pack. And your hydration bladder is actually going to live right here. So there is your pouch for that hydration bladder. You can see that does come included. What I like is a slide top for the bladder. So I can just slide this right off. That's going to allow this to just open up. Put your water in there. So very easy to use. I like the slide top. They never leak on me. I've never had any issues there. It's also very easy just to clean out when you need to, but you can see very simple to operate. Just slide it right back on. It's sealed. You are good to go. So that's going to be where your hydration bladder lives. Zip this back up real quick. Now you can see with your sip tube as well, it's coming down the left side right now, but if you wanted to, you can see you've got these little loops here on both sides. So it comes down to rider preference if you want on the left or the right, but you can do it however you want to. Now what's nice too about this Hydrapak sip tube, you've got the plastic obviously that comes with it new, but you actually have a twist valve here on the end, so if you want to close it off so no water is going to leak out, you can actually just simply turn that, and that's going to prevent any leaking. So that is the back. Those are the straps. Take a look at the front here. So your biggest main pocket, you got to undo these clips here on the side. I like these compression straps that they have these on the side to help cinch down the pack. So I'll undo these real quick. But with that undone, that's going to allow me to open the largest main compartment that you have on the front here. So with that open, you can see you've got a couple pockets in here. You can organize your tools. You can see you've got these elastic straps here to help secure your tools. Little mesh pocket right here. But overall, you can see this pocket, very large, goes all the way down the length of the entire pack. So like I mentioned earlier, for longer day rides, you're gonna be able to put plenty of items inside here. So that's your main storage compartment. Your second pocket up here on the top is actually going to be a fleece lined pocket. So again, for maybe mountain biking, if you have a pair of sunglasses that you're wearing, if you're not going to be wearing them, you can put them in here. You can put a set of goggles in here, an extra lens. So you've got a fleece lined pocket here. So really just anything you don't want to get scratched up, put it in this fleece lined pocket. Moving from there, you've got your second pocket here, or your third pocket on the outside. So if I open this up, you're going to see, you know, mid-sized pocket here. You've got a couple mesh pockets here on the inside of that lid. You can see a couple more, or a zip mesh pocket right here. So that's going to make it easy to organize your items. And the last one that I'll show you down here at the bottom this is what I mentioned earlier. So for mountain biking, this is what this is really designed for, but you've got this rollout mesh compartment here. So this actually comes up and you've got these little loops here right on the side. So you're just going to attach these clips to those loops. Do it for you real quick. So when you attach these, so if you are on a mountain bike ride, and me, I like it because I'm a big mountain biker, you can actually take your half helmet if you want to and just put it right in this compartment. If you know, for those uphill climbs, you're not worried about having to wear a helmet the whole time, you can just put your helmet right in here. If you're maybe taking some downtime, don't want to put your helmet on the ground, there you go, you've got that compartment. Now I know for motocross, obviously you're not going to take your helmet off and stick it in here, but with that pocket up, It gives you some space there, so maybe you could take off a jacket if you had one. Say it's cooler outside. When it starts to warm up, take that jacket off. You can just stuff it right here in this compartment. So I still think that this is going to be versatile even when it comes to dirt bikes. And then the last pocket is going to be clear down here on the bottom. So if I open that up, just going to be a real simple pocket. You can see just about how big it is. So big enough for a big cell phone or any other item that you want to put in there. But that is it. That is the Portage 3-liter hydration pack coming from Fox Racing. Again, mid-size, 3-liter water capacity, so enough storage space and water to get you through a full day's riding. So if that's what you're looking for, well, this would be a really good option. If you have any other questions or comments about this, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick up yours, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Do not forget, though, that we have a very big selection of hydration packs. So if you're looking for something maybe a different size, something that fits your budget a little bit better, well, check those out as well. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.